Get ready for prayer. Join your heads, close your eyes, and start the prayer. Come back to initial position. It's time for class. Take position. India is my country. India is my country. And all Indians are. And all Indians are my brothers and sisters. And my brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am proud of. And I am proud of. Its rich. Its rich. And very heritage. And very heritage. I shall always strive. I shall always strive. To be worthy of it. To be worthy of it. I shall give. Respect to my parents, teachers, and all Good evening, everyone. The thought of the day is you don't decide your future, you decide your habit, and your habit decide your future. I repeat my thought. You don't decide your future, you decide your habits, and your habit decide your future. Kasi Cadets Business your course and school go marches. Good evening, everyone. Today's news headlines are as follows. First, national news. AP among states most prone to beaches in IMD summer outlook. Second, ball over. In Arunachal, given an MBA physiological aids in Northeast. National news. You received moves to suit quarter AI Zera win Israel. Second, string gun new hate crime law come into force in Scotland. And last sports news, Indian goalkeeper Patnoy Chanu hopes to cash in on Australia. Peerless Nakazima Uran India Open Vira finished second. Cadets man for course assess this Cadets. Good evening, everyone. I am here to deliver short speech in topic good manners. Children must have good manners. Good manners make the children a good person. They should respect elders. They should not be angry. They should also speak in English. बच्चे कैडेट इंसान कोरोना कोर्स एंड स्कूल को लगा से Good evening, everyone. The word of the day is education. Hindi meaning पढ़ाई sentence. We are studying now. Credit creator guessing where from message before. Assembly attention. Get ready for the national anthem. Start the national anthem. जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे slogan, take position. भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय. Come back to initial position. Management staff break off, teaching staff break off, office staff break off. All cadets about to break off.